How to change voice in Google Translate. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you and explain you if and how you can change voice in Google Translate. Now, if you open up Google Translate, you'll see a list of options. At the very home page, you'll be able to choose your language that you want to translate from and translate to. Now, depending on the language you select, your voice might be changed on that. For suppose it's on Spanish now, but I could change it to Africans and there could be a different voice. However, you will see that there is no any option to change the language itself. So if I head back here and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, you can see there is settings option. But if you once you head into settings, there is an option for data users, keyboard, reason, speech input, and you can manage activity, but there is no any option to change the voice. So unfortunately, there is no any option to change your voice. You could change the reason here, but there isn't any option to change the voice. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.